to my Laura, we made it. I'm so happy to finally be next to you on this day and officially call you my Laura. When we first met, I was a shell of a man. You helped me build and shape who I am. As we move into this next chapter of our lives, I promise to give you the world and care for to look after you. You are my everything always. Love you, Chris.
Over the years, we've grown, we've fallen, we've laughed and we've cried, but I still chose you to struggle and succeed with, to fight and make up with, to love and to grow old with. I met someone who showed me what love truly is and would make me feel safe and cherished. You wanted to give me the world, but today, and already living life with you, I realise I'm already living in a world I dreamed of, and promise to be your friend and partner every step of the way. I love you lots, your Laura.
Like I never would have thought. I tried to comprehend it, but I needed and I felt. Whoa. You got a hold of me, hit me like a tidal wave. I'm falling off. You got me hypnotized, mesmerized, wrapped around your finger till the lights go low.
As I stand here before you on this beautiful day, my heart is overflowing with love and joy. Thrilled to see you starting your own family and building a life with beautiful Laura. Congratulations on your wedding day, with all my love to you both.
And you are, Chris, authorized by me to kiss your wife.
Laura, you're my best friend, my world and my carer. You've taught me the true meaning of love and partnership, and today I promise to cherish you and support you for the rest of our lives. To my beautiful Laura, to all of you, I love you more than words can express. Cheers.